Hi, I wanted to jump in real quick to talk about my Nugget Ice Maker. I absolutely love this one. It's so great. It literally always has nugget ice ready for me. I have been obsessed with it for pretty much as long as I can remember, and I knew that I wanted one for my house when I bought it. So I do love the fact that it comes with a little scoop to be able to scoop your ice out with. And this is actually the type of ice that it spits out. It's these little nuggets like this. They're the perfect bite-sized pieces that aren't going to bother your teeth. You can just stir this and it'll create more every 40 minutes. It'll tell you when the ice thing is full and you need to stir. It'll tell you when you need to add water. Those lights will light up. Mine just lit up because I just took it out of this little thing. It just made some. And then you can actually also clean the machine just by a press of a button as well, which is one of the favorite things about it. I'm gonna get a little bit closer up here. But this is basically what it looks like inside. Again, that's what the nugget ice looks like. And it comes right out this middle. When you clean, water will come right through too. But yeah, overall, it's very small and compact, so it doesn't take a lot of room up on your counter. And you can leave it running all the time and it'll always have nugget ice for you. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a nugget ice maker. It's been such a game changer for me because I'm obsessed with it. So if you are too, this is the one to buy.